could be something you get into as
Yeah.
a new Mainer. Maybe you could try it out.
You've got to try it at least once.
Okay. The
Not
only
that I've
holes
tried
I
it,
like
but-
to like play around in are on the golf course.
Well,
That's not happening for a while. So I need
golfing.
something. Yes.
right.
Yeah,
So this is a
something
good
to
chance
It's
to.
the
break
time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I need to make friends that are into that, and they can show me the way to
Show
to
you
do
the
it all.
ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Keith had a standing invite, so I'm sure whoever
Oh,
that was that kept
okay.
reaching out.
Email me.
Yeah.
We're
Hit
the weather
Alan
weenie,
up.
something. Yeah. We've got some showers to navigate tonight, so if you are out and about, maybe going out to dinner, something like that, or driving home from work, probably going to have some damp roads, not frozen though, because this is rain moving in, especially in southern Maine. As you get into the mountains, there are some icier conditions, but it's more of a mix, rain mixing with freezing rain or sleet, and then some snow up in the mountains. This is going to work through over the next, I'd say, 4 or 5 hours, and then it kicks off to the east of us, and then we'll be into some nicer weather for the weekend. But Saturday's weather is sandwiched in between these two systems. Again, Saturday looks like a decent day. It looks cloudy, and it will be, but the clouds will be of the thin, high altitude variety, probably more of a cirrus cloud deck out ahead of this system that'll come through Saturday night and Sunday. On Saturday, it'll still be out over the Great Lakes, but you'll see that the precip starts to move in and edge closer to Maine as early as 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow night. I think it'll be a coastal cold rain and a fairly quick transition to the mix and snow as you get away from the coast. And this setup here where the parent low gives way to a developing area of low pressure near the coast has been something that's been happening to the last 3 or 4 systems that have worked through here, where we get this secondary low developing. So you see how Sunday morning plays out with the coastal rain transition to inland snow. I think more people get into snow as we approach the sunrise time of Sunday. And one thing that we'll be watching specifically with this system, some of our in-house modeling, is wanting to shove in some drier air as all of this is happening. It's called a dry slot. And if that does happen, it would really cut down on the amount of precip on Sunday morning. So that'll be something to pay attention to. You can see some of that influence by Sunday evening clearing in southern Maine. Then the other influence is this coastal low, because it's looking like it's going to throw in wraparound moisture to northern Maine, maybe down east Sunday evening, and that could add to the snow before it all clears out come Monday. This is how the snow map looks as of tonight. We did up the levels of snow in northern Maine and into the mountains, and then that same 3 to 5 inch range as you approach Route 2, less than that south of Route 2, with a coating to an inch at the immediate coast. And we went as far as to even take southern York County off of the snow map. So does cool down on Sunday with this system, more 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, and a more significant cool down by the end of next week. There are gale warnings that will be in effect tonight, 7 o'clock through 7 tomorrow morning, 4 to 8 foot seas tomorrow, and a brisk west wind out there. So watch out for the snow moving inland Saturday night and into Sunday morning. It may linger all day down east and up north. Colder, drier for Monday, and then another chance for a few passing showers on Wednesday with that modest warm up back into the 40s, with a more significant cool down by the end of next week. So we're riding the temperature roller coaster just a little bit, and that makes the precip type forecasting, we'll say, more interesting.
I was going to say exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Entertaining. All right, Alan, thank you.